To add a new report, go to the Reporting tab, select New Report, and I'll select the data source. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a report that shows all the current outstanding offers. So under Property Information, I want to include the offer information as well. Hit OK. The Report Designer will be displayed. Let's give you the full view of it. Now let's add a label for a heading. Spread that out a little bit. Outstanding offers. Make that a little bit bigger, bold it, and center it. Now let's add, since we're dealing with a child table, in this case it offers as child to leads, which is the parent, we have to create what is called a detail band. If you right click in the detail area, go down to Insert Detail Report, and then select the child table, in this case lead offers. A new section will appear. We're not going to use the detail band, so let's slide that up. Now let's select, we want to have the address, city, state, and zip of the property that we offered on. And now in the lead offers child table, we're going to take the offer date and then also the offer amount. Now let's slide this up because so we don't want any extra room. So I'll show you what happens. So let's preview the report. As you can see, all that extra room is showing up in between each record. And this is the offer. Records that have offer amount are the ones we've offered on. I'll show you how to get rid of the ones that we haven't later. So return to Report Designer, remove the extra space, take a preview of it. You can see now we've lost all that extra space, so that's good. Next we want to format the date and the amount better. So we go back to the Report Designer, click on the date field, select this label task, then come down here to Format String, select date time, and then the format you'd like. I like the month, day, day, and the full year. Now we'll also format the amount. Go to currency. I don't want decimal places, but I do want commas for the thousandths spaces. So they don't have a particular style that I like, so in custom we'll select this one. So that's saying that there's going to be a comma separator and a $ with no cents. Hit OK. Now I also want to right align this field. Just looks a little neater. So let's preview the report. So now here are all my leads. Here are my offers on these leads. And now what I'd like to do is get rid of properties that don't have offers on them. So what we have to do is we click on the Detail Report band, this section, click on the arrow, show the properties, and then do a formatting rule. We'll have to create a formatting rule. So edit rule sheet, add new formatting rule, give it a name. Hide no offer. And then we have to set the data source that we're using. So the data set, it would be the only option on pretty much all instances. And then the data member, it'll be the child table from the leads for the offers. What we're doing here is we're actually going to count the number of records in the child table for a specific property. So now we'll set what we want to happen. The visibility property, we want to say no. So if in this condition that we create, go down to variables, data source record count equals 0. So what we're saying is that if there are no child records or no offers for a lead, then we want to hide the record. So I'll hit OK, and we'll hit close. And now the rules are over here. So now you have to apply it to the band or the section. So we have to pull it over here, hit OK, and now when we preview it, we'll have 5 records for 5 offers. Now this property has 2 offers. One of them, this one, was a rejected offer, and this is the second offer. We want to remove that as well. So we go back to Report Designer, select the section, click this, and now do Filter String. So we'll click the ellipse, add an item, click on the field you want to filter on, status equals, and the status code for a pending offer is 3. So we'll say show me all records that have status of 3. Hit OK. Now preview, and there you go. All these offers are pending, they're outstanding, and we are waiting for a response from the property owner. Now if we satisfied with the report, you hit save, confirm your save, give it a name, call Outstanding Offer Report. The type of it is just a report. I'll give it description. And hit OK. Now we'll close. And this is the report we just created. We can preview it at any time by double clicking it or right click, preview report.